In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Dropbox link in an email, a complete 2025 tutorial. Whether you're sharing files with friends, colleagues, or clients, Dropbox provides an easy and efficient way to get your documents to others without the hassle of large file attachments. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Dropbox.com on your web browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you're not already signed up, you can quickly create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Having an account is essential as it allows you to manage your files and access sharing options. Once you're signed in, you'll be looking at your Dropbox homepage, which displays all your stored files and folders. Now, navigate through your files to find the specific file or folder you want to share. This could be anything from a single document to an entire project folder. Once you've identified the file or folder, move your cursor over it. You'll find that some options pop up, one of which will be the Share button. Clicking this button is what opens up the sharing interface. After clicking Share, a pop-up window will appear. This is where Dropbox makes things easy. If a link to your selected file or folder doesn't exist yet, Dropbox will automatically generate one for you. This link is essentially a shortcut that you can send to anyone you choose. You'll see a copy link button in the pop-up. When you click on it, Dropbox copies a link to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into an email. Now that you have your link, the next thing to do is open up your preferred email client. Whether you use Gmail, Outlook, or any other service, the process is quite similar. Start composing a new email to the person or people you wish to share the file with. In your email, you might want to include a brief message to provide context on the shared file or folder. This makes the email more personal and ensures that the recipient understands what they're receiving. To include the link in your email, simply right-click and paste, or use the Command key combination Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. This action inserts the Dropbox link directly into your email. Double check to ensure that the link looks correct and that you haven't accidentally pasted any extra spaces or characters. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Send, and there you have it. A quick and seamless way to share files using Dropbox. Recipients can now click on the link right from your email, which will direct them to a web page where they can view or download the files you've shared. This method is not only convenient but also preserves the quality of your files, no matter how large they might be. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to try sharing files with Dropbox links the next time the need arises. Thanks for